Picture this. It's Sunday, the kids are in their jerseys, the grill is fired up, someone hands you a phone, and there it is, a smiling shot of your kid with a new partner, a caption you didn't love, and suddenly your messages are buzzing. You know that feeling. Small and then suddenly huge. Right? You can feel it. That tiny punch in the stomach. In the next 10 minutes, I want to give you really usable tools. Plain English rules about who can say yes to photos, when an image can cross into evidence, copy-ready scripts you can send in a text, and a couple of quick tech moves to stop fights before they start. Plus a short music pick at the end to help you reset the vibe. Let's do it. Let's chat.
First, consent. That's the simple headline.
I know, sounds dry, but stay with me. For very young kids, parents generally control photos and sharing. If you and the other parent share custody, both of you have an interest in how your child appears online. So what matters in court? Courts care about the child's best interests. Did sharing harm the child? Did it expose them to danger? Was there a custody agreement or court order that specifically limits posting? Those are the questions judges ask, not whether a caption got awkward likes. For example, if your custody order actually says no public posting of minors, that language matters. Now, when do photos become evidence? If a photo is used to harass, threaten, or dox someone, or if it plays into a pattern of behavior that harms the child, that can move this from a family fight into court territory. Quick practical rule. Save the original image, screenshot messages, keep timestamps. Don't delete things if you're worried. Documentation is not dramatic. It's useful. Okay. Boundaries with exes and new partners. This is where most weekend arguments actually start. You don't need a court order to ask for respect. Start calm and specific. Try this exact line. I appreciate the photo. Before you post, could you text me first? I'd like us both to agree on captions. Short, polite, actionable. If someone pushes back, escalate the language calmly. Say, I understand you're excited, but we agreed posting needs both parents okay. If we can't agree, please hold off until we talk. Which is when you follow up. Posting now could create real problems. Short, real consequence tied to behavior. If there's a new partner who's just excited and doesn't know the rhythm, model the behavior. Take the photo, but don't post it. Send it privately to the parent first. Normalizing this keeps rituals alive without surprises. Let's talk parenting moves. Tiny habits that prevent big fights. Make a game day ritual out of privacy. Pick a spot for photos that goes into a private album, or decide photos from parent A's weekend stay private unless both parents agree. Sports angle. Yes, you can keep Eagles tailgates or Yankees Sunday mornings without turning things into a public fight. Name the ritual and name the rule. Agree that game day photos live in a shared private folder. Rotate access if you rotate weekends. And if a new partner is there, brief them quickly. We keep game photos private unless we all agree. Short. Normalizing respect is part of the tradition. Tiny, real example. My cousin used to post every tailgate selfie with running commentary. It blew up. They moved to a private folder, one click, and the weekends got more fun. No public feed, no stew. 2 very simple tech moves. 1. Set up a shared private album with your phone or a trusted app. 2. Teach kids to send photos by direct message instead of posting. That's it. 2 moves. Big impact. Music pick time. Close the tension with something that helps everyone breathe. Today I'd recommend a late 90s, early 2000s R&B hip-hop groove. Smooth, calm, familiar. Put 5 minutes on, take a breath, then approach the conversation from a softer place. Music won't fix the legal stuff, but it resets the room. Before we go, 3 actions to take today. 1. Save one photo that worries you and keep the original messages. 2. Send the short boundary template. I'll link it in the notes. 3. Create a private album or shared folder and invite the other parent. 10 to 15 minutes. Tangible results. If you need tailored legal help, consult a family law attorney. Every case is unique.
For templates, links to private album how-tos, and the music pick, check the episode notes. If you have a story or a question you want me to tackle, send it via the show notes or DM. I read those and sometimes build episodes from listener questions. Thanks for spending time in Danny's Done. If this episode helped even a little, hit subscribe so you don't miss future conversations about law, love, parenting, and sports. I'll put the scripts and links in the notes. Until next time, I'm Danny. And as always, let's chat.